Okay, this is our second lesson. We were discussing about the operating systems, and we have recognized there are different operating systems. We saw examples too. So what are these operating systems? I hope you can remember we were discussing about Windows operating system, and not just that, Linux. So what I'm using here is Mac OS, Fedora, and these are Linux operating system, Red Hat, CentOS. A lot of operating systems are there. Even in mobile environment, there are some more operating systems like Android, iOS, BlackBerry, Nokia, Symbian, and this Windows operating system. These are some other examples for operating system. We have discussed that the operating system is working as a middleman in between the computer and the users. Computer and the users, computer hardware and the users, it is a middleman. We have clearly discussed about that. In today, we are going to discuss more about operating system, as well as we are going to get some exposure to the things that can be done using the operating system. Okay, in order to do that, I will let you share the screen, and then I can guide you to do activities. Today's lesson is again practical lesson. I will give some notes, but mainly it is a practical lesson. Let's see how the file management is done in the operating system first. Right. You can share your screen now. Who's going to share the screen now? Anybody wish to share?
Share my screen.
Okay, sure. Anyone? Okay, Lisha. Next Dasun you can take. Right, okay. Here you can see the operating system interface. This interface has small pictorial representations. These are called icons. These are called icons. And this operating system is called GUI operating system. GUI. What is the meaning of GUI? GUI means, can anybody tell what is GUI? What is GUI?
Graphical user interface.
It is graphical user interface. It has icons, graphics, Pute, can you press Windows key and E key? Windows key and E key. Okay, and also just reduce the size by pressing this. Just reduce the size. Right. Okay. Windows, graphics. Icons, graphics, and these are called windows. Window. And you have menus too. Menus are text commands. These text commands are called menus. So in graphical user interface, what are the things that you can see? Yes?
Icons, graphics, windows, and menus.
Yes, icons, graphics, windows, and menus. And one more thing, Pute, the mouse, you can move here and there. That is called pointers. Right? Pointers. Windows, icons, menus, graphics, and pointers. So those are common in the graphical user interface. Graphical user interface and onnoetika thiyena. Windows, icons, graphics, menus, pointers. Okay, that you can see in graphical user interface. Okay, first of all, let's see how we can create a simple folder, organizational unit in computer, simple folder in the desktop. You can press, or you can right click, select new, and then select folder. That is method number one, folder. Right click, new folder. The second method is Control Shift key and N key. Control Shift N key, and that will also create Control and Shift and N. Control Shift N. Command Shift N. That will also create. Yes, that will also create.
A copy of the same folder.
Yeah, not copy of the same folder. It is also creating a new folder, right? Control Shift N, create a new folder. Okay, how we can change the name of folder? One way is, how can we change the name of folder? Yes, you can right click on the folder. Yes, just right click on the folder and select rename. Select rename. In the show more options, you can see that. Show more options. There you can see the rename. Click on show more option, then rename. Rename. Yatin Deka. Right, okay. Let us see. Right, or you can press, or you can select the folder and press F2 key.
It doesn't work.
F2 key. No, it's working. Click on the folder, press F2 key. F pen 2 නෙවෙයි F2 key. F2 කියලා key එකක් තියෙනව නේද උඩ? අන්න ඒ key එක. ඔයාගේ පුතේ ඔබ special function වලට එතකොට Fn එකයි F2 එකයි ඔයා ගහන්න ඕන. මට තේරෙනවා වගේ brightness වෙනස් වෙනවා කියලා. Then click on this and press Fn and F2. Fn F2 ඔයාගේ press කරන්න ඕන. ඔයාගේ function secondary function එකට assign වෙලා තියෙනවා. එකයි එක වෙන්නේ. Fn and F2. Click on the folder Fn and F2. Press කරන්න බලන්න. Fn එකයි F2 එකයි. ඔය එන්නේ. ඔයාගේ secondary function assign වෙලා තියෙන එක. That's the reason. So normally F2 නැත්නම් ඉතින් Fn F2 තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ. Okay, right. Let's see how to do the same in command line interface now. In order to open the command line interface, so both are there in your computer, right? Command line interface is more famous. It is used most of the places. But here in actually Windows is more popular. Windows is easy. Windows is easy to use, easy to understand. So everybody use that. But do you know these websites like Google? These are servers. Even though we consume the service, api me service එක consume කරාට, this service is actually provided by a large server. In that server side and special technical users, they are using this command line. Still they are using command line interface. අපේ කාලේ කොහොමද command line interface තමයි තිබ්බේ. හැබැයි අදටත් command line interface use වෙනවා පුතේ. To do advanced tasks in a fast, efficient and secure manner. වේගෙන් වැඩ කරන්න, ආරක්ෂිතව වැඩ කරන්න, ඉක්මනට වැඩ කරන්න අදටත් command prompt එක use වෙනවා. So this was how we have used command line. මම ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්නම් command line අපි use කරපු හැටි. So in order to clear the screen, clear command. Mouse was not working. Mouse වැඩ නැහැ. ls minus l to get the details. LS to get normal details. ATTRIB, is it working? No, attrib. It's not working, but you can say my PWD, print working directory. These are some commands. Clear. And okay, what else? PING, www.google.com to check the connectivity. Okay, google.com. So likewise, we can use commands to get things done. In order to make a folder, mkdir hello, we'll create a folder called hello ls hel. Can see the hello folder. Oh, hell no, ls. Okay, cd hello. We'll move there. ls and cd double dot rmdir hello. Okay, so these are some commands clear to clear it there. Okay, let's use in your computer, let's use some commands and get some experience. And before doing that, I would like to give a small note on this because this part is really needed. So about the command line interface and graphical user interface. Can you write down this part very quickly? So you need to write down this quickly. Interfaces in operating systems. Interfaces in operating systems. That is the heading. Don't take screenshots, please write down. I know this is a bit lengthy, but try to write down it because this is anyway needed. I will give you the complete note, but this part you need to write down, right? This part you need to write down quickly. Do it quickly. Then I will give the note. The remaining note is lengthier. That's why I'm giving only the summary as a interfaces in operating systems. That is the heading. Under that, right, there are two. Okay, please share your screen now. Let's do the practical. And now in this time, let's explore about the command line interface, right? Because we already know about the graphical user interface now. Okay, let's learn about the command line interface now. How this command line interface works. Okay. I hope that still it's loading. I'll wait until Asini's screen is still it is loading for me. Asini, it is still loading. Don't know why. Can others see her screen?
No, sir.
No, I think it's loading. Still loading. Okay, shall I stop and let her share again? Maybe for some reason it is trapped. Oh, yes. Okay, can you share? Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
My one. Okay, Asini, can you try it again now? Okay, wait, one more time. After trying one more, okay, now we can see it, right? Okay. Okay, I'll give the next time to you, right? Okay, you can minimize this. You can minimize this and window here. And let's open command line. All of you need to do this with me, right? All of you need to do this with me. Let's do together. Press Windows key and R key. Press Windows key and R key together. Windows R together. Okay, Windows key ekai R akurai. Windows key and R key together. Asini, can you press? Windows key and R key. Okay, there please type CMD. Please type CMD there. CMD. CMD. Okay, press enter. Press enter. CMD, then press enter. You should, okay, this one. Sorry, right? CMD, press enter, will load this. Right. Now, so this is your command line. All of you got this or not yet? Others, did you get this interface? Anyone need help getting this?
Good, sir.
Got it, okay. Then it's okay. Right, that is called, that is command line interface. And let's start doing the practical with this. If anyone need help, tell me, right? Okay, now type a simple command dir. Dir, press enter. That will show, right? That will show the content of the current folder. The current folder is this. Then at the inner folder, the current folder is basically this is C drive users. Asin is the current folder. That is called the prompt. C users Asini, current folder. And how many folders are there in this folder? Right? How many folders are there? There are 15 folders. In front of folders, you can see DIRs. There are 15 folders. And there are two special folders. One is dot, the other one is double dot. Dot means, okay, dot means same folder. And double dot means parent folder. What is same folder? If you try to change, okay, then I will teach you one command. The first command is CD. CD means change directory. CD means change directory. Directory or folder. Change the folder. Change directory. That is one command. CD change directory. Okay, let's write this CD command now. Type CD change directory CD, type there, and you can type dot, space, dot. After the space, a dot. Press enter and you will see nothing. Means the directory will not change. Even though you try to change the directory, it will not change. CD dot will not change anything because dot means same folder. Change කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Dot කියන එකේ තේරුම same folder. Dot means same folder, therefore it will not change. Okay, try to use the command cd double dot. CD space double dot. Dot දෙකක් use කරන්න බලන්න. CD space double dot. Okay, now you can see your prompt or your parent folder has changed. Now the Asine's parent is users, it went to users. If you try to CD double dot again, and it will go to C drive. I CD double dot ke C drive ekatama. Ega parent ke users ke parent C නේ. එතකොට C එකටම යයි. Try that. CD double dot again. CD double dot again. We'll go to the super folder. Super folder means like root folder there. That is C drive. Okay, let's see what are there. ඒකේ තියෙන folders මොනවද කියලා බලමු. You can press dir again. Pressing dir will let you see the folders and files in C drive. Press enter and you can see there are how many folders? There are 8 folders, 8 directories. There means folders, 8 folders and 1 file. I think you can remember file has extension. This extension is raw. This is a file, right? 8 folders and 1 file. You can visit any of these folders. Let's visit Windows folder. How to visit Windows folder? CD space Windows. CD space Windows will let you visit Windows folder. You can type it and see. CD space Windows will visit Windows folder. CD space Windows. Don't press Windows button. CD type Windows. The folder name is Windows. This one. Folder name is Windows. CD space Windows. We'll go to the Windows folder. Okay. CD space Windows will go to the Windows folder. And if you try to again CD Windows, try it and see. Because Windows ඇතුලේ තව Windows එකක් නැහැනේ පුතේ හින්දා යන්නේ. Right now we are in Windows folder. If you want to see what are the folders inside that, you can press dir. ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙනව බලන්න ඕන නම් dir ගන්න ආයි. Press dir again and you will see all the folders there. Okay. ඒකකොට ඔන්න ඇතුලේ තියෙනව පෙන්නනවා. So let's go to the system32 folder. I can see one folder there. That folder name is system32. Can you see this? Let's go to that folder. System32. There is a folder called System32. Let's move to that folder. CD System32. CD System32. CD System32. Then you can move to the System32 folder. Space none. There are no spaces, right? CD System32, no spaces. CD වලට පස්සේ space තියෙනවා පුතේ. නේද? Do with a sense, right? CD space System32. You don't have space in System32 folder. System32 is a single folder name. Okay. Now we are inside System32. Most of the important programs are there in System32 folder. ගොඩාක් important programs තියෙනවා System32 ඇතුලේ. You can check that by pressing OK. For an example, type Notepad without spaces. Notepad without any spaces. Notepad without any spaces. NOTEPAD. Without any space. Press enter. That will open Notepad. Notepad without any spaces will open Notepad. Then type MS Paint without any space. MS Paint without any space. MS Paint, PAINT. And that will open Paint. Then another one, Calc, CALC, Calc. Without any spaces, Calc, CALC. Calc without any spaces will open calculator. Calc without any spaces will open calculator. Calc without any spaces will open calculator. Okay, these are some examples. Okay, go back to the command prompt again. Okay, let's give the chance to somebody else. You will not have a chance again. Let's give the chance to somebody else. Who wish to share? Now can share the screen. Anyone wish to share can share the screen. So no one. Shall I give the chance back to her? Chance if others are not doing. Yes. Okay. Go to command prompt again. Hi, command prompt again. Please go to command prompt again. Okay, there you can type this command. Let's go to the desktop, right? Let's go to the desktop. To go that cd double dot. CD double dot. CD double dot to move back. CD double dot. Again CD double dot. CD double dot 2 times. Okay. Now you are in C. Now let's go to the CD users. If users kill a folder, let's move into that. CD users. CD users. DIR. Press DIR. Okay, CDHP. Others also need to go to the relevant folder, right? It's not HP, right? In your different, in this computer, it is HP. Whatever the user folder. Here, this one, it is HP, right? Okay. Then CD desktop. CD desktop. DESK desktop. CD desktop. DESK TOP. CD desktop. Okay. Then press DIR. Press DIR. DIR. Okay, you can see a lot of files and folders. Can you just minimize this and see these files and folders are there in your desktop? Desktop minimize. Just minimize them. You can see, right? On a desktop, you can see them in the desktop. Okay, let's create some folders, additional folders in the desktop. Right? On the desktop, whatever you can see here in the desktop is same, right? Whatever you can see in the desktop here is, these are same as your desktop, your original desktop is, and this what you can see this, see in your desktop, sorry, GUI desktop is same as the CLI desktop. That's what I want to show you. The CLI desktop, GUI desktop, okay. So let's go and create a folder there. Go to the command line interface. Please go to the command line interface. And let's create a folder MD and give your name. MD Vinujana. Press enter. MD. MB name. MD. Make directory. MD Vinujana. MD Vinujana. Make directory. MD Vinujana. Okay, now go to the desktop and see whether it's created. Then desktop eකට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න Vinujana කියලා එකක් හැදිලාද කියලා. Go to the desktop and see, there's a folder, right? අපි දැන් folders 10ක් හදලා බලමු. See that now we are going to understand that this command line is super fast, right? Okay. අපි යමුකෝ Vinujana මේව එකට අපු. Let's go back to the, then type MD, make directory MD. This time please type
What's it?
MD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 with spaces, right? 1 space, 2 space, with the spaces. Then see, you can see that is really faster, right? It's creating 10 folders instantly. Creating 10 folders instantly. Go to the desktop and see, press enter, go to the desktop and see, there will be 10 folders. Isn't that so? Yes. The hack it is super fast. The command line interface is super fast. That is why there are 10 folders instantly. DMD is very, very fast. So you can see there are 10 folders now. Okay, then let's create 100 folders. How? Let's type another command. I'll give this command, right? All of you can try for L percentage I in 100 do MD percentage I. Okay, I have sent it in the chat. Copy and paste that. Copy and paste the command. I have sent it in the chat. Chat එක ටොන මම යුවා. ඒක copy paste කරන්න. There will be 100 folders. Press enter and there will be 100 folders. See the desktop and there will be 100. Okay. If you need 1000, change 100 to 1000. But don't tell me this, everything is filled now after doing that. Okay. Go back to the command prompt. Let's erase them using the same command. Press up arrow ගහුවම අර command එකම එනවා. Okay, now change the M to R. MD කියලා තියෙන අන්තිම M. Last M. Use the arrow keys to move. Arrow keys, mouse එකකින් යන්න බෑ. Arrow keys. Then delete M. M එකට මකන්න backspace M or delete M and put R there. Remove directory RD. Then you will see, press enter and all 100 will be deleted. Okay, now you can see how fast command line is and what we can do with the command line. That is the nature of command line, super fast, right? The commands that we have learned, I think we can write down next day. For today, I'll stop from here. Let's catch you all next week, right? Okay, good night. Bye.
Good night, sir. Take care.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.